Paldean Fates. So grab that.
Ooh, smaller than it
Then
looks.
allow the door to close. It's going to give us the next thing.
Oh.
Wait. Okay. Grab that. Might need two hands. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
3 of 6. Says please wait. Wait. Okay. Is it just one in there?
Yeah.
We got more than one, didn't we?
Oh, here comes the
Oh, it's just gonna put them out one at a time, I guess.
Yes, 3 more.
I'd like to see inside one of these machines, see what it looks like. All right. Just does them one at a time, doesn't it?
5 out of
How many of those did we get?
4.
Okay, grab that one out. Yeah, push hard.
Oh. Again. One, you actually.
I might get one more thing before we leave. What? Okay.
Another meal. Anything else?
Please push door to take your item. Allow door to close. I think that's it.
Oh.
Maybe? I don't know.
Oh,
Yep, that's all we ordered. How cool is that?